Today we will draw a beautiful banana drawing from scratch. Follow our steps and you too will draw a banana in no time. Before we paint our banana drawing, we want to see your drawings first. More about it in the description below. And now, let's paint. Another how to draw video is finished, and this time it was an amazing banana drawing. Easy, right? If you like this drawing, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share this video to your friends and family, so they can learn how to draw a banana too, and you all could draw and paint together. Thank you.